In this video, I'm going to talk about what SMART goals are, how they can benefit your digital marketing strategy, and more importantly, how to set SMART goals that will work for your business. In the context of digital marketing, SMART goals are specific objectives that will directly contribute to your key business goals. They should form the foundation for which your digital marketing activity is aimed at achieving. All SMART goals must be specific. If a goal isn't specific, it will rarely be achieved. When is the last time "I'm going to get fitter this year" worked as a New Year's resolution? "I'm going to join the gym that's near my work and I'll go twice a week to do a healthy balance of cardio and weights" is much better. It's specific and therefore more tangible. Measurable. You need to know whether you're achieving your goal or not. It's as simple as that. Fortunately, with the right digital marketing tools and knowledge, you'll have enough data to measure your performance effectively. Attainable. Don't set unrealistic targets. Balance optimism and enthusiasm with reality. All too often, marketing managers are asked to set targets, and the temptation to tell the bosses what they want to hear is overwhelming. What the bosses need to hear is reality. They will most likely base their growth plans on what you and your marketing team can deliver. So it is critical to set achievable goals. Relevant. SMART goals must be relevant to your primary business goals, and in this case, your digital marketing strategy. What can feasibly be improved that will contribute to achieving what your business wants to accomplish this year? Hint: if growing revenue by 20% is important, then telling your boss that you'll grow the Twitter follower numbers by 50% probably isn't relevant. Time-based. Putting a time limit on your goals will allow you to benchmark progress throughout a campaign or project and provides a time to review and reflect on those goals in order to better inform your next set of SMART goals. Purpose and direction. Setting SMART goals allows you to strive towards something on a daily basis that you know will make an impact. Measure progress. Want to be rewarded for the hard work you and your department are doing? SMART goals give you the evidence to shed light upon your contributions. Analyze and improve. Setting SMART goals over a specific period necessitates a time for reviewing your digital marketing strategy, assessing what worked and for what reasons, and making the fundamental changes that are going to improve your digital marketing activity. Step 1. Bring your primary business goals to life. The starting point for setting SMART goals, as mentioned earlier, is to assess what your main and broad business goals are for the year. Here are some examples. Increase revenue by some percentage. Increase profitability. Increase customer lifetime value. Digging a little deeper, you will then need to quiz your company's CEO and maybe the CFO about the numbers behind these goals. Let's take increasing revenue as the example. Imagine your CEO wants to increase online revenue by 50%. In order to set a revenue-based SMART goal for your digital marketing strategy, you first need to identify what the revenue was for the last financial year and what that projected number will be when you hit the percentage growth target. Once you have calculated this number, you can transform a broad goal into a more meaningful and practical business goal, such as increase online revenue by 50% from $1 million to $1.5 million by April 2019. Step 2. Apply the goal to your digital marketing strategy. Knowing your yearly online revenue for last year was $1 million, you then need to study the analytics software on your website. Most websites use Google Analytics. You could use additional data provided by other tools such as Marketo, Shopify, or whatever platform your website is built on. By finding out some critical data such as how many people visited your website during that year, how many inquiries came through the website, and how many of those inquiries turned into customers, you will be in a prime position to create highly effective digital marketing SMART goals. If you're using Google Analytics, this will mean setting the appropriate date range to 1 year and checking the number of sessions in the Audience Overview tab. For ease, let's say it's a nice round 100,000 sessions for the year. So, if you're generalizing here, this means that each visit to the website from the last year was worth approximately $10. Using simple math, you can perform a similar basic calculation for website inquiries and customers. Let's say you find out that you received 1,000 website inquiries over the year and 500 of those turned into customers or clients. This gives you the following information. 100,000 sessions equals 1,000 website inquiries. 1,000 website inquiries equals 500 customers. 500 customers equals to $1 million. Average customer value equals to $2,000. Step 3. You're ready. Set your SMART goals. Using these numbers, you can set some SMART goals that are tangibly connected to the business objectives. Simply, if you need to increase your revenue by 50% in 12 months, you need to increase your sessions and inquiries by that amount as well. So, let's look at some relevant calculations. SMART Goal 1. Increase monthly sessions by 50% from 8,300 per month to 12,500 per month by April 2019. So, 100,000 times 1.5 equals 150,000 sessions per year. 150,000 divided by 12 equals 12,500 sessions per month. SMART Goal 2. Increase monthly website inquiries by 50% from 83 per month to 125 per month by April 2019. So, 1,000 times 1.5 equals 1,500 website inquiries per year. 1,500 divided by 12 equals 125 website inquiries per month. SMART Goal 3. Increase monthly new customers by 50% from 41.6 per month to 62.5 per month by April 2019. So, 500 times 1.5 equals 750 new customers per year. 750 divided by 12 equals 62.5 new customers per month. For most businesses, this last one isn't limited to merely the marketing team. You'll need to check that these figures are valid with the sales team. You're basically saying they're going to be 50% more effective, so it's a good idea to discuss with them what an ideal sales lead looks like and work on delivering it to the sales team. Step 4. Make strategic decisions on what marketing activity will help you achieve your SMART goals. Once you've decided on what your SMART goals are, you can begin to plan what marketing activity will help achieve these outcomes. In this case, it may be that you need to invest in some social media advertising, content marketing, or Google AdWords. You may want to focus on conversion rate optimization or CRO to make a higher percentage of sessions convert into inquiries. Step 5. Review, analyze, and optimize. Remember, your first SMART goals are never going to be perfect, and they aren't supposed to be. They are there as a benchmark, a motivation, a reminder that your digital marketing activity can and should make an impact that you can measure down to the bottom line. You will need to review these goals, preferably quarterly, to make sure they still adhere to the SMART ideology. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and you were able to enhance your understanding of SMART goals in relation to digital marketing strategy.